Then up on these little prongs here and wiggle the connector off of the light bulb. Then you want to go ahead and use your T20 Torx bit and remove the 2 screws. Once the screws are removed, just set those aside. And right on the top, there's 2 little spring clips right here, and on the other side, you want to press those down. You can go ahead and work that light forward. And just remove it from the front. Next, you want to go ahead and swap out that bulb. Go ahead and start by pushing this in. Once these pegs are lined up, you go ahead and push this in. And you should hear it click into place. Go ahead and install the 2 screws. Once you get those started in there, you can go ahead and snug those down. And once you get those snug down, now you can go ahead and reconnect your connector. Just line that up, push it on until you hear it click. Now what you want to do is to finalize the project, you want to go ahead and use this upper Torx bit here to adjust the level of the fog light. Once that's done, go ahead and repeat for the other side.